I am a long-term Abacus customer. Most recently, I had to replace a washing machine, and the faucet connection was effectively corroded shut. And so the service provider was not able to change out my washing machine. I called Abacus, as I usually do when I need plumbing and HVAC and electrical services, and they were out within 24 hours. Changed out the hot and cold water connections for my washing machine. And at the same time, the service tech realized that my main cutoff valve to the house was not closing properly. So he shut the water off at the street and asked me if I wanted to change out that the whole house water shut off, which we did. And then I asked him while he was doing that to go ahead and add a new exterior faucet. And he did all that work in under a couple hours. It was fantastic. Met my expectations. The gentleman was super professional, very friendly, didn't waste any time, and it was a great experience. And I would absolutely recommend Abacus to friends and family.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.